Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong.
Ka Public Account Committee ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly haka apu pratarik naiweng aja apsau lingba ke dekat jongka kelahir Sri Boy District penjurip leka Modern and Hygiene Fish Market ke badan haka Shnong Saiden haka ni lejing her Jurip layalam do uba Charles Pengrom Chairman ka Public Account Committee parkentup ke dekat beraderlang uba Kemen Rumboy uba Gavin William Rupert Mumin uba Adil Milam Sayamoy parkio besar katanat fisheries patna ka district Libhoy. Hadian beladap Jurip yang kata Modern Fish Market. Ka Public Account Committee kelap pelong ru ia kajing halang. Banyatai Halor Shibun di Tampan Roy. Kiwa penterekam hakan ni district. Kita tukar ni giba komiti kalayatai. Pat ya keren kikan tuk igi Tampan Roy haka agriculture, horticulture, veterinary, education, health buat kiwe-kiwe kita nak sorkar kibadan hakan ni district. Habala persang man pencai halor ni kajing Jurip hari boy Chairman magrekod ke komiti kilakan tait ban keren sakila tai khubor bakra Pyntip baka ai ka kaipot ka baki ulum na kan digajing Jurip kin sa Pyntip siki bor bahalor jong ka sarkar badai ban pet ya gani ka kam kumban penken mau ya gani ka Modern Hygiene Fish Market kodan hasaiden la playhouse nam arja khapra pat lamang tangka hadu haka jinglot ka balapoi syaka iway point review klur ka bay tangka ka National Fisheries Development Board, jong ka sarkar India, tingkat ka sarkar jela, lingba ka Aquaculture Mission. Handai kum bakalong hadu menta, kani nga Modern Hygiene Fish Market kampat tekam satya, bala sa akut kongreng, klem dalaban pentrekam satya, kar kung kajingkwa ba jing angnor ka sarka.
But it's just that by the Empowerment Committee in 2020, when we visited this site, they asked us to handhold to help them. So that's what we did.
So you're just giving them professional help?
Yes. Whichever farmer, whichever vendor would take a small beer would.
Put a fish out there.
Yes, sir. So which means the perishability of the commodity is.
Yeah.
Are they still working?
Yes, sir.